Is your 7.3 Power Stroke Ranger refusing to turn over? Let's troubleshoot the common culprits in this quick guide. Statistics show that 80% of no-start issues on these engines stem from simple electrical faults. Before we grab the wrenches, let's look at the logical steps to pinpoint the problem. Always start by verifying your battery voltage, checking for loose ground cables, and scanning for active trouble codes. The IPR valve and the camshaft position sensor are notorious for causing no-start conditions on the 7.3. Don't ignore your fuel system, specifically the high-pressure oil pump levels and your fuel filter condition. Simple sensor swaps are great for the driveway, but internal pump or injector work often requires a professional shop. Costs vary wildly depending on the component, with sensors being significantly more affordable than pump replacements. If basic checks fail, use a multimeter and pressure gauges to dive deeper into the engine data. Keep a digital multimeter and an OBD-I scanner in your kit to handle most of these electrical diagnostics. Remember the golden rule of mechanics: measure twice and replace once to save yourself time and money. Thanks for watching. Check the description for links to the parts mentioned and subscribe for more 7.3 tips.